You have been bracing for so long, you forgot what it feels like to not be under attack. Not by the world, not by life, not even by your own mind. You learned tension so early, it started to feel like intelligence. Like vigilance was wisdom. Like exhaustion was maturity. Like always being ready for impact was the same thing as being alive. But listen carefully. The world is not against you. It never was. What you have been calling reality may have been a nervous system that forgot how to stop guarding. So every delay felt like rejection. Every silence felt like danger. Every unanswered message became a verdict. Every setback became a prophecy. Every hard season became proof that life had chosen someone else. But that was never the whole truth. That was a body under siege, trying to interpret existence through armor. And armor has a cost. Armor cannot feel the breeze correctly. Armor cannot receive love correctly. Armor cannot hear truth cleanly. Armor makes everything loud, everything urgent, everything personal. So you begin living like this life is a hallway full of threats instead of a place you were meant to inhabit. And after a while, you do not just protect yourself from pain. You protect yourself from beauty, from stillness, from ease, from awe, from being touched by what is already here. That is the tragedy. Not that you suffered, but that you started organizing your entire life around preventing suffering twice. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Confine yourself to the present, not the catastrophic future, not the rehearsed humiliation, not the old injury projected onto today. The present, because the present is the only place where reality has not yet been distorted by memory or fear. And what is here, right now, beneath the noise, is often much gentler than the body expected. A breath, a chair beneath you, light through a window, silence that is not punishment. A day that has not attacked you. A life that, for this moment, is simply asking to be inhabited." This is what we mean by Stoicism 2.0, not decorative resilience, not, quote, collecting, not sounding wise, while your nervous system is still bleeding from every trigger. We mean this: that philosophy must enter the body, or it remains theater. That peace is not an idea. It is a state. That your relationship with existence changes the moment your system stops interpreting everything as a threat to survive. The ancients gave us architecture. Modern life gave us overload. We are rebuilding the bridge between them, gently, cleanly, for real. So let this be your reminder: you are not behind. You are not broken. You are not too late. You are not disqualified from peace because your body learned fear before it learned trust. You are calibrating. You are remembering what it feels like to not meet every moment with a shield. You are remembering that life is not only a test, it is also a field, a sky, a room with morning light in it, a nervous system that can learn safety again. And beneath all the noise, all the self-protection, all the rehearsed disappointment, there is still something in you that knows how to soften without collapsing. So today, do not force anything. Just let this thought land. The world is not against you. It never was. And neither are we. We are the Stoic Quotient. This is Stoicism 2.0. Ancient architecture. Modern nervous system. Come home.